Hey, as brand owners, what are the motivating features that we can utilize to change consumer behavior and purchase our product? Hey, I'm Tim Forrest, timforrest.com, or here on the YouTube channel, youtube.com/Tim Forrest Consulting. If you don't know me, I've been in the food business almost 40 years. I've helped clients grow almost $1 billion in sales and in value. And today we're going to go over the top features that we can utilize as brand owners to change consumer behavior and purchase product. So let's get into it. What are the top motivating features to get consumers to buy our product and to purchase it? And what I want to share today is specifically, we want to enlist the help of our satisfied, our happy consumers to help influence and become brand ambassadors for our product in their home markets, where they're located, in their neighborhoods, for friends and family. The first way we can influence behavior, which is one of the highest, is that 45% is to offer coupons for free samples. Initial trial is a way to get it to go. The coupon itself will generate trial for the product, and it allows us to do that without doing a demo in a supermarket specifically. So that's number one at 45%. But number two is so close. What can we do to encourage word of mouth? And so anything that we can do to make that happen, that's 42%. So that's only 3 points less free sample as far as changing consumer behavior. So if we can get friends and family to share and suggest our products, that's gonna go so far as the efficacy of our product, the great taste, and what it is that we have to offer in a value. When we think about product reviews and positive online comments, that's going to get us, that's 29%. So that is not as strong as a face-to-face person sharing a comment, but it's a very powerful, it's in the top 5 as far as a power of influencing others is a personal comment. The number 3 item behind those two, which is maybe surprising for some, is just simply the lower prices. I understand why that would be number 3, because the price savings really is not going to generate new users, particularly if they are not sure about the great taste, they're not sure about the efficacy of the product. But that's still a big one at 41%. A recognizable brand. So having a recognizable brand is at 31%. And so that's in between. It's in between a price reduction and and what we talked about, an online review for the product. And for functional foods and beverages, the last one I'll share for you right now is just simply having organic ingredients. Just the fact it's organic, that's going to influence 28% of people to think about using it and or picking it up, and as far as being an opportunity for them and being a motivating factor for them to work with it. So that's a real quick overview of some of the motivating factors to encourage consumers to pick up our product. Hope this is of value. I've got another resource for you as well, and that's my published book. I would love to send it to you. If you'll pay for the shipping, I'll pay for the actual book itself and get it to you. All you have to do is jump over on my website, gettimsbook.com, and be happy to send it to you. It includes 5 proven ingredients that I've used to help my food clients grow by millions. In some cases, multiple cases, from 0 to millions. And then as far as established businesses, I've helped established companies double the size of their business in less than a year. Working with Dyson, using some of the concepts in this book, we were able to have an 83% increase in their division sales rate over the course of a year. And so it's a very valuable book. I have some friends that are clients that are going to Africa right now. They've sold their family business, 43, to venture capital. They're on their way to Africa this weekend as we're recording the video from that. But it's just very valuable. GetTimsBook.com. I'd love to talk to you if you have a innovative product that has traction and you're looking to scale that. Please jump on my calendar at timforrestmarkets.com. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.